Welcome back. Just wanted to do something a little bit different today and actually review a book. This is hands down the best book I have ever read about trading. And it was actually written by John F. Carter, who is the owner and original founders of Trade the Markets, which now, of course, is part of Simpler Trading. So some of you may have been um, exposed to kind of his program and his software. But I was really interested in learning and taking my trading to the next level because of his kind of clear cut, organized um, fashion to trading, approach to trading. But more importantly, not just the approach to trading, but using the specific tools that will enable you to be a consistent, profitably trader, almost improve your trading overnight. And the reason why is because he introduces not only just a general overview of the market, but specific tools that professionals use, and why really sitting and waiting for opportunities to arise is the best, approach, as opposed to overtrading and having what's called fear of missing out or FOMO. It really helped me with his tools and strategies, really uh, fix some of my own internal errors and approach the markets on how and trade them on how they actually move rather than what I think they're going to be doing. Um, and so, again, it's a very, very comprehensive book, but it gives you proven setups with optimal, market and non-negotiable trading rules, which you can stick by. Some exact entry and exit and stop loss levels for not only just day trading, but also swing trading, if that's something that you're interested in, um, or if that is your approach to the markets. Um, a pre-market checklist for analyzing kind of recent market behavior and being able to kind of identify the movers and help you understand, what the market's doing and possibly even trading those, scanning techniques, and even building a specific scanner for pinpointing specific high probability setups. And then, of course, very, very important, effective risk control, risk management techniques, to kind of ensure that, you're not making any, kind of, boneheaded, silly mistakes. And then, of course, techniques for predicting market corrections. So I just kind of wrote a little something here on the blog. I am going to go ahead and put the link here to this video of where to buy it. You can buy it on Amazon, get it delivered to your house fairly quickly. And if you want to learn more about who he is, Simpler Trading here, he is one of the original founding members, again, originally known as Trade the Market. So here he is, founder of Simpler Trading. So you could always just read about him and understand what his trading style is. And then, of course, if you look at other websites, it's gotten some pretty good reviews, which I certainly agree with. Again, just hands down, probably one of the best books I've ever read. I highly recommend you buy it, read it. It will improve your trading overnight. And I'll put the link in the description below. Feel free to click on the link, buy the book. Feel free to put a comment if you agree, disagree. If you have any other questions, let me know. Happy to help. Good luck out there, and best of luck to all of you in 2023.